Hello, this is Liz Kelly live with a great love review of the hot movie Avatar, coming to you live from a magical place in Los Angeles because there is so much magic on the planet of Pandora in this movie, but we couldn't get there. And the best reason to go see this movie is the great love story. You have a guy named Jake, and then he gets turned into an avatar. He goes in and meets the natives and falls in love with the daughter of the king, Zoe Saldana. And it is just so powerful and so magical. The sparks are like bouncing off the trees. And that's what I want for you in real life. I want you to have that great love magic. So get out there and find your great love and check out more movie reviews and dating tips on my website, greatlifegreatlove.com.
Crazy music playing in the morning.